learners. In this video, we are going to learn about voltage regulators in the vehicle alternators. So let us see this diagram. So in this, we can see this is the stator side of your alternator and this is the rotor side of your alternator. So whenever the alternator receives the rotary motion through any turbine or engine, whatever it may be, it starts to rotate. While it getting started to rotate, the DC supply given to this rotor field winding produces magnetic flux, and that flux is cut by this stator three-phase winding, which produces the AC supply across these stator windings. So here the alternator shown is three-phase alternator. Okay, so this AC should be converted into DC first. Okay, so before converting that into DC, before converting into regulator voltage, we have to first convert this alternating current output from the alternator into DC through these diodes. So here 3 arms are used. In each arm we have 2 diodes. So as per bridge rectifier formula, it is rectifying the AC voltage into DC, and that DC voltage is given to the voltage regulator circuit. See, actually that DC itself can be used for energizing the rotor field winding. So why we are not using AC here? We are just using DC supply because flux generated by this rotor field winding must be uniform one. So if we apply DC supply, only then you will get the uniform magnetic flux. So that flux will be cut this stator windings uniformly. Okay, so if you give AC supply here, the produced magnetic flux will be ununiform. It is also sinusoidal, so that the flux linkage will not be uniform with the stator windings. So to avoid that, we are using DC here. So this rectified DC itself again using for the energization of field winding. So this DC is given to this voltage regulator. If the speed of the alternator varies, then the output voltage of the alternator gets varied, so that your output DC will be fluctuated. To avoid that, in between the battery charging circuit and this alternator, we are using voltage regulator. So this keeps the output voltage constant irrespective of the variation in the speed of the alternator or any other disturbances getting before this voltage regulator. So the voltage regulator output is connected to your battery. So here is the sensing circuit is there, which is used to sense the output voltage of the voltage regulator, and here the capacitor is given for this acts as a filter capacitor, which is used to convert the pulsating DC into pure DC, because the DC come out from this rectifier is not pure one. So to convert that pulsating DC into pure DC, here we are using this capacitor. So this is given again to the battery. Okay, so this is what about the schematic of your voltage regulator used in the alternator, and in the next video we will see the upcoming topics. Thank you.